How to create a live trading account in Ospreyfx. So here you have to visit this official website of Osprey here, and on the top right you will get this two option, login and sign up. So you have to click on login. Once you click on login, here you have to add your basic info, and after that you have to verify your email, and after that you have to fill up the details. Now if you have a Google account, then it's become very easy. So I will just use my Google account here and I will just confirm it, and this is it. Now here you have to just wait for a few seconds, and after that here you have to add your phone number, date of birth, and here some of the information which they are asking for, right? Now once you have filled this information, here my account is already done, right? Now here they will ask you to start trading. Now you have to add your funds. So I will just click on add my funds, and once you click on it, it will give you option that how you want to deposit your funds. Basically here some of are here cryptocurrencies, so you can use a cryptocurrency. For example, let's say that I will use BTC, and I will select a wallet here, and this is amount, and I have to just go and click to go to payment, and I have to link my BTC, basically my wallet address, and then the payment will be here, right? So this is how you can deposit your funds here. Now on the left side you will see a lot of option, dashboard, account, and everything, right? So it is just redirecting to my wallet, and on the left side you will see a lot of options. For example, this is the dashboard. It will show you all the information in a glance. Here this is icons. So I hope you got an answer. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.